Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. It's by Hotwheels. It's not a new casting, but I think this color or the paint scheme is new. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Porsche 904 out of its box. And the first thing you will notice is very unique paint on this one. It's a mixture of light yellow, black and white. Yeah, I don't know what exactly that color is called. So it's got number 63 on the side, and I don't know what is that, a logo for something, I'm not sure. Let's move to the front and see how does it look. So up front you got some good details. I like the headlamps, especially when Hot Wheels does these kind of ones instead of painted ones. They look good. You've also got the lamp down there. You see these two, the Porsche written up front, fuel filler cap because it's rear engine. And you also got a mirror on this side, windshield wiper, good details. Coming to the driver side, Porsche badge here, Porsche written on the bottom. You can see the door here. It's got the sliding window, and this looks like a vent to get some feed air in the engine. I do like these wheels. These look like those deep dish racing wheels. If you look here, see how deep these are. So coming to the back now, again there are some details like the tail lamps and the twin exhaust at the bottom, but they're not detailed. If we can add some colors to it, I think they will look even better. Now on the passenger or not passenger but co-driver side, looks almost identical. I don't see any major differences. This is how it looks from the top, and you can see number 63 there, Carrera GTS written there, and you can see the grill or the vent for the rear engine. This is how that looks, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. It can do up with some more added details, but even with this one, it looks really nice. It's a good one. Should you get one? If you love Porsche or racing cars, you should. Looks really nice. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.